Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by cutting power, safety first. Once unplugged, remove the grill and expose the terminal. This reveals whether the lug is cracked, torn, or loose. Make sure to label left/right and polarity with tape, and photograph the connections so you can reattach exactly. Strip only 3/5 mm of insulation from the wire ends so you can inspect copper integrity. You use the needle nose pliers to straighten frayed strands. This prevents shorts and sets up a clean join for the next step, solder or clamp. Now you decide how to repair. If the lug is cracked, replace it. If threads are stripped, swap the nut and washer or the entire cup assembly. Once done, desolder the old connection cleanly, heat the lug and wire together, then feed solder so it wicks into the strands. This creates a reliable bond. Make sure to use rosin core solder and a 2540W iron for controlled heat. After cooling, tug test the joint gently to confirm mechanical strength before reassembly. Finish by reassembling the terminal, ensuring correct polarity and snug but not over-tightened nuts. Over-tightening can crack terminals. Once done, power on the amp at low volume and play a 100 to 1000 Hz tone while you listen for clarity, hum, or crackle. This verifies continuity and reveals grounding issues. If you hear intermittent sound, make sure you reheat the soldered joint, check the wire wrap under the terminal, and confirm the cabinet ground is secure. One key tip: always recheck polarity before final mounting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.